Step into a world where time stands still, where cobblestone streets and colonial architecture whisper tales of the past. Welcome to La Antigua, Guatemala's crown jewel, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that captivates every visitor. Imagine waking up to the sight of a majestic volcano, its conical peak watching over the city. La Antigua is not just a city, it's a gateway to adventure with the Pacific Coast, Lake Atitlan, and TESOL just hours away. Our TEFL course in La Antigua offers you more than just a certification, it's a passport to a world of opportunities. Picture yourself training in well-equipped classrooms, surrounded by the charm of a Spanish colonial building. Our school boasts modern amenities, including a small cafe, free Wi-Fi, and a computer lounge. Take a weekend to hike active volcanoes, tour a coffee plantation, or go ziplining. Our TEFL course provides lifetime assistance in finding employment, ensuring your journey doesn't end here. Our course dates are flexible, running throughout the year to fit your schedule. During the course, you'll engage in classroom study and hands-on teaching practice with enthusiastic local students. Join us in La Antigua and transform your life with a TEFL certification in this earthly paradise.